If you want to use GoDaddy for email, whether that means creating a new business email address, checking your messages, or managing your inbox from Webmail, this guide will walk you through the full process step by step. By the end, you'll know how to create an email account in GoDaddy, open Roundcube Webmail, send messages, read incoming mail, and adjust basic settings like your signature and forwarding. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy. Once the site loads, sign in with the account that owns your hosting or email services. If you manage more than one product, make sure you're logged into the right account so you can see the correct domain and hosting plan. After you sign in, go to My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of the services tied to your account, including domains, web hosting, and email-related tools. Look for your web hosting section, and under that, click Manage. This opens the control area for your hosting plan. From there, open cPanel Admin. Panel is where many of the email tools live, and this is the area you'll use to set up and manage email accounts connected to your domain. Once cPanel opens, look for the email section and click Email Accounts. This page shows you the email inboxes already created for your domain. If you're setting up a new address, this is where the process starts. Now click Create to make a new email account. You'll be asked to enter the email name you want to use. For example, this could be something like info, support, hello, or your own custom business name. Next, enter a strong password that you can remember, but that's still secure enough to protect your mailbox. If you're creating email for a team or business, use a password manager so you can store it safely. After filling in the details, click Create. GoDaddy will set up the account, and once it's finished, your new email address is ready to use. Next, find the email account you just created and click Check Email beside it. This opens the Webmail login area for that mailbox. From here, you'll usually see Webmail options, and one of the most common tools is Roundcube. Click Open Roundcube Webmail. Roundcube is the web-based email interface where you can read, reply to, and organize your messages without needing a separate email app. Once it loads, you'll land in your inbox. To send an email, click Compose. This opens a new message window. Enter the recipient's email address in the To field, add a subject line, and then type your message in the body. Keep your subject clear and specific so the recipient knows what the message is about right away. When you're ready, click Send. To read incoming messages, go back to your inbox. Any new email sent to your GoDaddy address will appear here. Click a message to open it, read the contents, and reply if needed. If you want to make your email look more professional, go to Settings. This is where you can add a signature, set up forwarding, or create filters. A signature is great for adding your name, business name, phone number, or website at the end of every email. Forwarding is useful if you want emails sent to your GoDaddy address to also go to another inbox, like Gmail. Filters help organize your mail automatically by sender, subject, or keyword. If you're using GoDaddy Email for business, I also recommend taking a minute to test everything. Send yourself a message, confirm that it arrives, and make sure you can reply without any issues. This helps you verify that the account is working correctly before you start using it for clients, customers, or team communication. And that's it. You now know how to use GoDaddy for email, from setup to sending and managing messages. You created the account, opened Webmail, used Compose to send an email, checked your inbox, and explored the basic settings that make daily email easier to manage. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and drop a comment if you want to see more GoDaddy walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.